Double, nice, great. She exposed her on her back. Lovely, 5 points. Beautiful, beautiful. Exposed her full on her back, and now she's trying to pin her down. When 2 shoulders are pinned down, it's done. Beautiful performance from Mээрim from Kyrgyzstan. And 7 lead. Beautiful, beautiful transition here. Beautiful, great work. Lovely, lovely going for the beautiful single leg try-in. And she's trying to pin her down, Mээрim. And a point. Lovely work. And clean and square. Demonstrating great skills of wrestling, freestyle wrestling. A warrior, really a warrior. With the flag standing proud on the mat. A great performance here. Great performance by Mээрim from the Kyrgyz Republic. Saluting her support.